The Honor 400 was one of the most hype maintenance phone of early 2025, but now 1 month later, does it still hold up? In this long time review, I will be share my honest thought on the performance, battery life, camera, software, and overall the user experience. Starting with the design, after 1 month, the build quality is still hold up really well. The matte finish on the back and its feel premium in the hand. It's lightweight, slim and very comfortable for daily use. Moving to the display, the Honor 400 featuring a 6.55-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, vibrant and smooth, perfect for content watching, gaming and everyday use. Even outdoor visibility is pretty solid, and the security wise the phone comes with under display optical fingerprint scanner and face unlock, very fast and secure. The smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC with 8 and 12 GB RAM. Performance is excellent for the price. I have been gaming, multitasking and editing video, all without any noticeable lag or heating issues. On the software side, the phone running macOS 9 based on Android 15, and the experience has been clean and smooth, no major bugs. Honor promised 6 years of major Android update. Now let's talk about the gaming experience. I am playing PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. PUBG Mobile you can play 60 FPS, and I am already making a dedicated gaming review Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile on Honor 400. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. The Honor 400 comes with a dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 and 60fps video with EIS. Now I am recording 4K 30fps. Let me know in the comment what you think about the video quality. The 200 megapixel main sensor take a great photo in a daylight. The portrait shots are impressive. Low light performance is decent but could be better, and very soon this smartphone dedicated camera review video coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The Honor 400 comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery. The battery give me easily full day of use. In the box is provide 100 watt fast charging, but it support 80 watt fast charging. After 1 month, the battery health still feel strong, no issue so far. So, should you buy Honor 400 in 2025? It's a fantastic option, great display, strong performance and reliable battery life. If you are not focusing on night photography or water resistant, it's still a top pick in this price range. What do you think? Would you still buy the Honor 400 in 2025? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.